Welcome to MarbleFlows, an all-in-one automated and gamified onboarding and engagement software. The software that can help you increase product adoption and engagement, personalize your users' in-app experience, and as a result, reduce product churn and increase revenue. The sign-up process here is very simple. The only thing you need to create an account is an email address. After typing in your email address, you have access to your account on MarbleFlows. All necessary information with the credentials is automatically sent to your email inbox. After the registration process, you get into the product itself and you're good to go to create your first flow. But how can a flow be created? First, it can be built from scratch. Also, you can go to templates to browse different pre-built flows for different purposes and preview them to decide if this template is something that you're looking for. After clicking on Use Template or Create Template from scratch, in this case I will create a flow from the template. You enter the editor where you're able to adjust and change your flow. But what is a flow itself? A flow is an interactive component consisting of interconnected pages that contain different types of content. The flows are used to onboard, educate, and navigate users within your product or website, helping you create a unique customer journey for each user. Okay, which type of content can be added to the pages of the flow? You can add different types of text, pictures and GIFs. You can link videos, set up predefined and custom backgrounds. To connect pages to each other or other resources outside the flow, there are various types of buttons. To make connecting pages more convenient, you can assign a name to each page. The elements of the pages are very customizable. You can change the size of the elements, their color, and positioning. One more great piece of content you can add to your flow is a gamified survey that is also very customizable and can bring more interaction with your users through the gamified elements embedded. At any time, you can preview the flow created. Just click on an eye icon and go through it to get the necessary user experience. You can go back to the editor to make changes if needed. If you feel that the flow is ready, it's time to share it with your audience. You can share the flow in 3 different ways. Find a link as a widget or an iframe. The trigger icon for a widget can be customized, as well as the way a widget is going to appear on screen. As for the iframe, you can specify the sizes of it in the Custom Frame Size section. Once your flow is published and shared, it's important to understand your user's behavior. To see the key flow statistics, navigate yourself to the Analytics page and get key insights on how many users went through the flow, what were the unique journeys, how many times they viewed the flow pages, and how much time they spent on them.